Good morning, good people. We are at the old town in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Got a couple of hours left here in Chiang Mai, so I want to go and check out like a tech place and check out some gadgets and tech. So we're going to head to Pantip Plaza and have a little bit of a look around and then head on out of Thailand. But this is the old town. And not many tourists out and about at the moment. Maybe because it's dry season heading into winter. I guess a lot of the tourists are in their home countries celebrating the Christmas period and New Year period. Anyway guys, we are going to head down this road here. I'll show you this road. Apparently this road down here is one of the most popular roads to come and get a massage. Not that I've been there or experienced it, but I've read that a lot of expats, foreigners, come here to get a massage and special service, as they call it. Anyway, we will head over here. Okay, just got to avoid all the traffic. Hello. Lots of traffic. Yes, going across. Busy, yeah. Okay, now we must stop. Cross the road. Thank you. So that part right there is quite busy here with traffic in Chiang Mai. It's good to have the police there to basically help pedestrians across the road. But anyway, this road right here is full of bars and full of massage parlors, especially at night when you come down this way. As you can see, Why Now Bar, Baba Bobo, White Orchid Massage. And a lot of the girls normally stand outside these places and try to lure the men into them for a massage. And apparently the women here are a little bit older, but it's one of those places like in Patong. It's the same in Phuket. They've got the walking streets there with all the massages and all that kind of stuff. So if you want an oil massage, Thai massage, oh, here we go. Look, here's a price list. Oil massage, and then you've got Thai massage, head and shoulder, foot, body scrub. But if you want more of a discreet massage, you've basically kind of got to ask, or normally they have it on the menu listed as special massage. A lot of foreigners and expats call it happy endings. So those services are available, but they listed as special service. Hello. A couple of expats there getting a massage. Find a lot of the older European men love coming to these places for some reason, especially the retired ones. They love to live out their years in places like Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, even in Vietnam I've seen. And it's quite normal to see like men who are, say, 80 or 70 years old walking around with a 20-year-old girl by the hand here. Just a normal thing here. People go, oh, he's the sugar daddy, or he's just the man with the wallet. And maybe quite so, but that's how it is here. Anyway, There's a whole bunch of massage places here. So right along the street here, you've got tailors, you've got, so here's some of the tailors, massage parlors, bars, a whole mix of services here. And you've even got money exchanges, people making smoothies, coffees, hello! Restaurants, which is really good. We're gonna walk down to Pantip Plaza and check out some tech down there. Now, if you're looking for a massage during the day, they do massages here during the day. I'm not quite sure where exactly, but you might find some along this street here that do the massages during the day and the special services. Doing some praying. There's also a lot of hostels and guest houses here, accommodation, tattoo shops. It's another one. Lots of tattoo shops here as well, so if you want to get a Thai tat, this is the area you come to. Obviously the prices here are more inflated because it's a real tourist hotspot area, so high density hotspot for tourists and expats that come to this area, much like the old quarter back in Hanoi, Vietnam. Also, what I noticed around Southeast Asia, they have a high density of drugstores, and obviously drugs here, you can get them over the counter. Stuff that you have to prescribe back in your own country, like in New Zealand for example, you can actually get them over here over the counter. All sorts of antibiotics, different types of tramadol, so antidepressants, and all the stuff you can get over the counter, but it can be quite dangerous, so I recommend to really make sure you go to a pharmacy or a place that has reputable backgrounds, because some of the drugs could be imitational drugs. You don't want to be delving into stuff like that. One thing I have not seen around here are casinos or slot machines. I have not seen slot machines here. Not like Japan where they've got the pachinko slot machines. You find those everywhere. But here, I haven't seen any. Not that I'm into that kind of thing. It's just interesting to see the different shops and things in each different country you go to. Hello, massage and special massage. Oh, they said yes. That one was open. I don't know what that one's called. Funny. It's the other thing I noticed too, the women here have this like irritating whining sound, like, you want massage? Come to my shop. I give you a good price. Actually, it's quite funny, and hearing it, it's just like, my goodness, are they okay? Is there something wrong with their voice? 150 baht for 1 hour Thai massage. 150 baht is $7, so it's less than $10 New Zealand for a good massage here. A few bars. Lots of bars. So this area is really congested with bars and massage parlors. So a few things to sell. Oh, 10 baht for these. Good to put money in. All stuff from merchants. Hello. It's very good. Okay. Elephant, oh, very big. You have a slot to put money here inside? No money, no can? Oh, no good. Oh, I have many now here. No room to put. Oh, bag, very cheap. I already buy last year and broken. No good. Made in China. Thank you. Goodbye. It's so funny. See what I mean? They talk really, I don't know, it's like a whining type sound. Anyway, guys, let's head to this plaza. Check out the vibes there. Alright, guys. Pantip Plaza. Let's go inside. Look around. Hot girl. So funny. Maybe it's cultural. Why they talk like that? I don't know. It's quite funny anyway. So, this looks like the clothing floor. Let's look for the tick floor. Now, if you haven't been to Thailand, if you want to check out some tech, I recommend to go to MBK Center in Bangkok or Platinum Center in Bangkok as well. They are near Phaya Thai and very easy to get to by the train, but they've got floors and floors of tech. Okay, let us look around. I think some of these shops are still closed. Places that don't have prices, yeah, you've got to really negotiate with them. And normally you can get it back by sometimes half the price that they quote. So if they say something's worth 200 baht, say start at 100, then work your way up to negotiate, which is the best. That's how I normally work it. Got to hustle. Check out this place, you can learn Thai here. Different levels of Thai. Here's the course, 2,300 baht for 24 classes. That's not too bad. Wow, a lot of the shops are closed. I'm very surprised. Guys, I'm not impressed by the shops here, eh? I mean, there's so many here, but they're all closed. It's like maybe business isn't good for them. I have no idea. So there's a few little booths here, which are similar to like MBK in Bangkok, where they've got phone covers and accessories, and they can also do repairs as well. So this is like the first floor. 191 phone shop. Fix phone. Okay. Need to do a couple of repairs. Apparently this is the place to come to. How's he supposed to make business if he's not here? Come on. Anyway, this is the first floor here in Pantip Plaza. They've got a few other little phone stores around, but really they are kind of like the salespeople for this guy here. So they will put a little bit on, to cover them and then bring it to this guy to fix. So he's the main guy that fixes it. So if you ever come to Pantip Plaza, come straight to this guy. Otherwise, you're going to be paying extra by going to all the little booths and other shops here. But he's not here. Dude, where are you, man? Hello, massage. So funny seeing those masseurs there, having a bit of fun with them. Anyway guys, that is me. I've done what I had to do at Pantip Plaza. A little bit disappointed about the variety of shops that they have there, but I guess this is Chiang Mai and it's not as big as Bangkok, but I did get what I had to get sorted, which is great. Now heading back to the airport and back to Vietnam. So we're going to leave this video at that. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you have. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Catch you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.